English for Beginners. I designed this channel specifically for you. Hi everyone, welcome to English for Beginners. Learning a new language can be hard, but we are going to make it easy and fun together. Whether you are starting from zero or just need practice, you are in the right place. Let's start today's lesson. In this scene, two people, Alex and Rebecca, meet for the first time at a coffee shop or school.
Hello,
Hi,
my name is Alex. What is your name?
my name is Rebecca. Nice to meet you, Alex.
Nice to meet you too, Rebecca. Where are you from?
I am from Italy. And you?
I am from Canada.
Oh, really? I have heard Canada is very beautiful. Are you a student here?
Yes, I am. I am studying English literature. What about you?
I am studying business. This is my second year.
That is interesting. Do you come to this coffee shop often?
Yes. I come here every morning. The coffee is very good. Would you like to sit down?
I would love to, but I actually have a class starting in 10 minutes.
Oh, no problem. We can talk more another time.
That sounds great. It was really nice meeting you, Rebecca.
You too. Have a good class.
Goodbye, Rebecca.
Bye, Alex.
In this scene, Chris and Sarah meet on the street while walking to school or work.
Good morning, Sarah.
Hey Chris, I haven't seen you all week. How's it going?
I am doing pretty well, thanks. Just a little bit tired this morning.
Really? Did you stay up late last night?
Yeah, I was watching a movie and lost track of time. What about you? How are you doing?
I am great, actually. The weather is so nice today, so I feel energetic.
That is true. It is finally sunny. So, what are your plans for today?
I have a few classes this morning, but I am free in the afternoon. Do you want to grab lunch later?
That sounds like a good idea. I am free at 12 o'clock.
Perfect. Let's meet at the sandwich shop near the park.
Sounds good. I need to run now or I will be late.
Okay, see you at 12 o'clock.
See ya.
Scene, David and Jenny. In the hallway before work or school starts in Monday.
Good morning, Jenny. Happy Monday.
Morning, David. Is it Monday already? The weekend went by so fast.
I know, right? It always feels too short. Did you have a good one?
It was pretty good, actually. On Saturday, I went to my cousin's wedding, so I was busy all day.
Oh, wow. That sounds fun. Was it a big wedding?
It was huge. There were almost 200 people. The food was amazing, but I was so tired yesterday. I basically slept all Sunday. What about you? Did you do anything special?
Not really. I had a very relaxing weekend. I just caught up on some reading and went to the gym.
That sounds nice. Sometimes a quiet weekend is the best kind.
Exactly. I feel rested and ready for this week. Do you have a busy schedule today?
Unfortunately, yes. I have a meeting at 10 a.m. and a lot of reports to finish. I need some coffee first.
I hear you. I'm heading to the break room to get some coffee right now. Do you want to join me?
That would be great. Let's go.
Scene. Alice calls Ben on the phone.
Hello?
Hi, Ben. It's Alice.
Oh, hey Alice. How are things?
Good, thanks. I am just calling to see if you are free this Saturday. I am bored, and I want to do something fun.
I think I am free. I don't have any plans yet. What did you have in mind?
I really want to see that new superhero movie. You know, The Red Mask.
Oh, I saw the trailer for that. It looks really cool. I definitely want to see it.
Great! Let me check the show times on my phone right now. Just a second.
Take your time.
Okay, here it is. There is a show at 1:30 p.m., 4 p.m., and 7 p.m. Which one is best for you?
1:30 is a little too early for me. I usually have lunch with my family on Saturdays until 2 o'clock.
That makes sense. What about the 4 p.m. show?
4 o'clock p.m. is perfect. That gives us enough time.
Okay. Should I book the tickets online now? I don't want them to sell out.
Good idea. Can you buy mine and I will pay you back when I see you?
Sure, no problem. I am buying them right now. Done. We are in row G, seats 10 and 11.
Awesome. Thanks, Alice. So, how are we getting there?
I can drive. Do you want me to pick you up at your house?
That would be very helpful. The bus takes a long time on weekends.
Okay. I will pick you up at 3:30. Is that enough time to get to the cinema?
Yes, the cinema is only 20 minutes away.
Great. And hey, do you want to grab dinner after the movie?
Definitely. I will probably be starving by then. Let's go to that burger place next to the mall.
I love that place. Their fries are delicious.
All right, it's a plan. 3:30 at my house on Saturday.
Perfect. See you then, Ben.
Bye, Alice.
Scene Kwon, shopping for clothes. Liam and Emma are at a clothing store in the mall.
Thanks for coming with me, Emma. I really need to find a new jacket for winter. My old one is too small.
No problem. I love shopping. What kind of jacket are you looking for?
I want something warm, but not too heavy, and maybe something in black or blue.
Okay, let's look at this rack over here. How about this grey one?
It looks a little bit thin. I don't think it will be warm enough.
You are right. Oh, look at this blue one. It has a hood and deep pockets.
That looks nice. Let me see the label. It says it is cotton and wool. That should be warm.
You should definitely try it on. The fitting rooms are over there in the corner.
Okay, hold my backpack for a second. I will be right back. Liam goes into the fitting room and comes out wearing the jacket. What do you think? Be honest.
Honestly, it looks a little big on you. Look at the shoulders. They are too wide. What size is that one?
This is a large.
Let me check the rack for a medium. Aha, here is a medium. Try this one.
Wow, this feels much better. It is not too tight, but it fits my shoulders perfectly.
Turn around. Let me see the back. Yeah, that looks great. The blue color matches your eyes too.
Thanks, I really like it. Now for the scary part. How much is it?
Let me check the tag. It says $120.
Ouch, that is way over my budget. I was hoping to spend about $80.
Wait a minute, Liam. Look at this red sticker on the tag.
What does it mean?
The sign on the wall says red sticker means 40% off.
Really? Let me do the math. If it is $120 and we take off 40%, that brings it down to about $72.
That is a bargain. It is under your budget.
Perfect. I am going to buy it. Do you want to look at anything else while we are here?
No, the line at the cashier is getting long. We should pay now.
Good point. Let's go.
Context. 2 students, Sam and Sarah, sitting at a table in the school library. Hey, Sarah. Sorry to bother you, but are you busy right now?
Hi, Sam. No, not really. I'm just reading a comic book. What's up?
Honestly, I am having a really hard time with this math homework. I have been staring at this page for 20 minutes, and I still don't understand it.
Is this for Mr. Miller's class? Chapter 4?
Yes, the algebra chapter. It is a nightmare.
I finished that yesterday. It is definitely tricky. Which question are you stuck on?
Question number 5. Look, I used the formula, but my answer is completely different from the answer in the back of the book.
Let me see your notebook. Move over a little bit.
Sure, here's my work.
Okay, I see what you did. You used the right formula, but look right here. You forgot that this is a negative number.
Wait, where?
Right here. -5 times -2 equals +10. You wrote -10.
Oh my gosh, you are right. That changes the whole equation. I can't believe I made such a silly mistake.
Don't worry about it. I did the exact same thing on the test last week. It is easy to miss the negative signs.
Okay, let me fix it in my calculator. Yes, now I got the right answer. Thank you so much, Sarah.
No problem. Do you understand the next question, or do you want to do one more together?
Can we do one more, just to be sure?
Sure. Go ahead and try question number 6. I will watch.
Sam writes in his notebook for a minute. Okay, so I subtract this and then divide by x. Is this right?
Perfect. You got it. You don't need my help anymore.
Phew. I feel much better now. You are a lifesaver.
Well, actually, since I helped you with math, can I ask for a favor?
Of course. What do you need?
I have to write an essay for history class about World War II, and I haven't started yet. I know you were really good at history.
Oh, I love history. I can definitely help you with that. Do you want to meet here tomorrow after school?
That would be amazing. I will bring the snacks if you bring the history notes.
It's a deal. Thanks again, Sarah.
Anytime. Now, let's finish this before the library closes.
Yes, I totally agree.
Great job today. You have finished your first lesson on basic conversation. Learning English takes time, but you are doing very well. Be proud of yourself. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. I really appreciate it. If you want to keep learning with me, please click the subscribe button and the little bell icon. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye. Thank you for watching English for Beginners. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lesson number 2. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.